Hi, I'm Erin. I'm a senior content writer at a digital marketing agency, and today I'm going to talk about SEO, blog length and formatting. Now, when it comes to SEO, the ideal blog length is anything between 300 to 2500 words. The thing to take away here is not that you need to write a lot, it's that you don't write too little. Anything under 300 words runs a risk of your blog not being found in a Google search. If you're a first-time blogger, I suggest something around 500 words is a really good starting point. These days, most people are turned off by a wall of words. Try to avoid a big chunk of text and start a new paragraph wherever possible. When it comes to keeping engagement, anything between 3 to 5 lengths for a paragraph is ideal because it will keep the reader's eye moving through your text. Is there something that you can encapsulate with bullet points rather than a whole paragraph? If so, do that. It will add formatted texture to your blog, it will cut words down, and it will attract the reader's eye to that point in the blog. Loads of short sentences can feel blunt and unemotional. Loads of long sentences can feel circuitous and long-winded and frustrate the reader. A mix of both is most natural and most engaging. As a rule, when you read a sentence out loud, and if you find yourself getting out of breath, that probably means that you need to cut some words out or add some punctuation. Equally, if you find that a sentence stops short, you might need to rewrite it or add a few more words. There you have it, 4 ways to instantly make your blog way more appealing to read and engaging. Let's go through them again. Number 1, your ideal length is anything between 300 to 2500 words. Remember that with paragraphs, you want them to be between 3 and 5 sentences long and really quite regular. Where it fits, put bullet points. And finally, always try to get varied natural sentence length. Head to our channel to find more videos just like this. I covered titles and subheaders, how to write a killer first line and introduction, and also why blogs are still so important in today's marketing.